This is Daria from TAUS, and today I'm going to be showing you how to claim and work on translation tasks. So first thing we need to do is to log in into our account. Then click Tasks, Available Tasks. Type Translation, and we just sorted our Hausa test project, and let's try and claim the first task. Please note, you can claim only one task at a time. Here at the top right corner, you can see the timer set for 12 hours. This means you have 12 hours to complete one task. Here to the left, we have instructions. Full instructions can be downloaded here. In the interface, you can see it's super simple. We have two boxes with our source language, English, and target language, Hausa. So here we have sentences, and your translation should be typed in this box. So since I'm not a Hausa speaker, I will just put some dummy text for video purposes. You can save each translation, each box, like this. If you have something else to do, you can just leave this and without clicking anything, and then find this task under user tasks. Here, you can see it here. Once you're ready to go back, you can click resume and keep translating. Translating. Okay, so only after translating every sentence, every segment, you are able to submit the task. First, you need to click Save All. So all the boxes that you translated, they're all saved. And then click Submit. Great. Now your task is submitted and pending evaluation. You can go back to available tasks and claim more tasks. So this is it for now. Thank you for watching and good luck.